Nobody disputes that Congress can regulate the market, the business of buying insurance, the terms of insurance, the conditions of insurance. What we're talking about here, though, is compelling people to purchase something they do not desire merely because it has an economic footprint. If you say, as my colleague General Coterie says, that because a failure to purchase insurance has an economic impact, there's literally no activity known to men that would not have some economic impact that in the aggregate would impact interstate commerce. It has to be an activity.
Just sitting on your duff and doing nothing is not an economic activity.
If this mandate and other features of this act stand, the federal government is no longer a government of limited enumerated powers. It has all the governmental powers that can be exercised in this country.
If there's no limiting principle, we have just made commerce laws infinitely capacious. And I'm not being rhetorical if I say if you can mandate the purchase of health insurance, you can mandate the purchase of health club memberships. You can mandate the purchase of mental wellness lessons. You can mandate the purchase of goods and services of any kind.
There have to be meaningful limitations on the scope of Commerce Clause. Otherwise, we'll swallow the rest of the Constitution. If you cannot link what the federal government is trying to do to a specific grant in Article 1, it cannot be done. No matter how meritorious your policy goals are, you have to make sure you do it in a way that's consistent with our constitutional architecture. This is the American way.